Good evening, all of you. Today, let's discuss the remaining questions of exercise 1.2, class 6th. Okay, now let's discuss the seventh question. And the question is: a merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? Okay, so first let's write the informations given in the question. So first thing is that the merchant had rupees 78,592. So let's write it. That is the amount that the merchant had is equal to rupees 78,592. 78,592. Okay. Now what is next? She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets. That means what? Number of radio sets she ordered is equal to 40. Let's write it. 40 radio sets. That means 40. Okay. Now at rupees 1,200 each, that means the price of each radio set is equal to rupees 1,200. Okay. So what is the price of each radio set? That is equal to rupees 1,200. Okay. Now, how much money will remain with her after the purchase? Okay, that is the question. First, you should calculate the total money spent for purchasing radio sets. Okay. So, first let's find it. That is total money purchased or total money spent for purchasing radio sets. How will you find it? You know that price of each radio set is what? 1,200 rupees, 1,200, and you are purchasing 40 radio sets, is it? That means for finding the total money spent for purchasing radio sets, what you have to do? You have to just multiply this 1,200 with 40. Okay, if you multiply 1,200 with 40, then what you will get? You will get the total money spent for purchasing radio sets. So let's do it. That is 1,200 into 40. Okay. So first you have to multiply 1,200 with 0. Then you will get 0, 0, 0, 0. Now 1,200 into 4. Okay. So 0, 0, 8, 4. Okay. So what will be the answer? 0, 0, 0, 8, 4. So what you have got? You will get it as 48,000. Okay. So this will be equal to what? 48,000. Okay. Rupees 48,000. Okay. Rupees 48,000. But the question is not that one. What is the question? Question is to find the money that will remain with her after the purchase. Okay. So, to find the money left with her, what you have to do? You have to subtract this 48,000 from what? From the total amount that she had. What is the total amount with her? It's 78,592. Okay. So, you have to subtract this money spent from this amount that the merchant had. Only then you will get the total money left with her. So, let's do it. Okay, money left with her after the purchase will be equal to what? Will be equal to amount that the merchant had minus total money spent. Okay, so what was the amount with the merchant? It was 78,592. Minus what you have to do? You have to minus this 48,000. So 48,000. Okay, so let's do it. That is 78,592 minus 48,000. Okay, how will you subtract this? 2 minus 0 is 2, then 9 minus 0 is 9, 5 minus 0 is 5, 8 minus 0 8 is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3. So answer is what? Rupees 30,592. What is the answer? Answer is rupees 30,592. Understand? So that is the total money left with her. So that's all about the seventh question. Now let's see the eighth question. Okay. That is, a student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Okay. So that is the question. Let's understand the question first. That is, a student multiplied 7236 by what? 65. Okay, instead of multiplying it with 56. Okay, actually he was asked to multiply this 7236 by 56. Okay, but instead of that, by mistake he multiplied it with what? 65. Okay, so by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? That means actually he was asked to do this. So when he correctly multiplied this 7236 with 56, he will get one answer. Okay, but accidentally he multiplied this 7236 by 65, and now he got one answer. Okay, but our question is that by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Actually this will be the correct answer, but now he got another answer. Okay, so we need to find the difference between this answers. That means we have to subtract the correct answer from the answer that he got now. Okay, so instead of doing all these steps, instead you have to do only one simple step. That is, you have to take the difference between 65 and 56. What is the difference of 65 and 56? That is the difference of 65 and 56. How will you take the difference? You need to just subtract this 65 minus 56, and you will see that what is the difference? It's 9. Okay, and now what you can do, you need to just multiply this number 7236 with this 9 only. Okay, no need of doing all these long steps. You need to just multiply this 7236 with 9. So let's do it. What is 6 into 9? It's 54. Carry 5. What is 3 into 9? 27. 27 plus 5, 32. So 2, carry 3. 2 into 9, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Carry 2. 7, 9, 63. 63 plus 2, 65. So what is our answer? 65,124. Okay, so question was by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? So you can tell that his answer is greater than the correct answer by 65,124. Okay, so this is the answer for this 8th question. And if you have any doubt, you can just check this answer. How will you check this? You can just check this answer by multiplying 7236 by 65. Similarly, multiplying 7236 by 56, and you just take the difference. Then also you will get the same answer. Okay, let's do it. 7236, and if you are multiplying it with 65, okay, then what you will get? 30, carry 3, 15 plus 3, 18, carry 1, 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1, 36. Okay, now 6 into 6 is 36, carry 3, 18 plus 3, 21, carry 2, 2 into 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, carry 1, 7 into 6, 42, 42 plus 3, 43. Okay, let's add it. 0, 14, 3, 10, 7, 4, 4, 7, 0, 3, 4, 0. Okay, similarly you need to just multiply 7236 with 56. Then what will be the answer? 7236 into 6 is 43416. 43416. Now 7236 into 5 is 36180. Okay, now let's add it. 6, 1, 12, 5, 10, 4. Okay, 405216. Okay, now let's take the difference. 470340 minus 405216. What will be the answer? 10 minus 0 minus 6 not possible, so we will take 1 from here. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 0 minus 5 not possible. So we will take 1. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 6, 0. Okay, so here also by doing this straight method you got the same answer 65,124, but actually we don't have to do all these long steps. You need to just take the difference and you need to multiply 7,236 with that difference and you will get this answer as 65,124. okay, no need of doing all these steps. Okay, no need of doing that. Okay, so this is all about the 8th question. Now let's do the 9th question. So this is our 9th question. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how much shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Okay. So let's write the informations given in the question first. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. That is the first one. That means what? Amount of cloth needed to stitch a shirt is equal to what? 2 meter 15 centimeter. Let's write it. Okay, this is the first information given. Okay, now we can just convert this 2 meter 15 centimeter into centimeter completely so that our calculations will be more easier. Okay, you know one thing that 100 centimeter is actually equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So now let's convert this 2 meter 15 centimeter to centimeter completely for easy calculation. Okay, so here what is 2 meter? Instead of 2 meter you can convert it into centimeter as 2 into 100 centimeter. Then 2 meter will get converted to centimeter plus 15 centimeter. That is already in centimeter, so no need of converting that. 2 meter is converted as 2 into 100. What is 2 into 100? That is 200 centimeter. So 200 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. What is that? 215 centimeter. Okay. So amount of cloth required to stitch a shirt is equal to how much? 215 centimeter. Understand? That is the first information given in the question. Now, out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched? That is the first question. That means, and how much cloth will remain? Okay. So, out of 40 meter cloth means what? That is the total amount of cloth is equal to 40 meter. Let's write it. Total amount of cloth is equal to 40 meter. Here also again you have to convert this 40 meter to centimeter. So you know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So how will you convert 40 meter to centimeter? You need to just multiply 40 into 100 centimeter so that it will get converted to centimeter. Now what is 40 into 100? How will you multiply this 40 into 100? That is actually very easy. Okay. 40 into 100 is 4000 centimeter. Okay, 40 into 100 is 4000. That means 4 into 1 is 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. Then you will get 4000 centimeter. Okay, or you can also just multiply this 100 into 40. Okay, in this way also you will get the answer as what? 4000 centimeter. So total amount of cloth is equal to 4000 centimeter. Now, how many shirts can be stitched out of this 4000 centimeter? And we already know that the amount of cloth required to stitch a shirt is equal to 215 centimeter. Okay. How will you find the number of shirts that can be stitched out of this cloth? That is, how will you find it? In order to find that, you need to divide this 4000. Okay, you need to divide this 4000 centimeter by how much? 215 centimeter. Okay, only then you will be able to find the number of shirts that can be stitched out of this cloth. Okay, so let's do it. That is 4000 divided by 215. Okay, now in this 400, how many 215 is there? Only one. So 215. Now let's subtract it. So 5. Now this will become 9. This will become 3. So 8, 1, 185 and 0, 1850. Now in this 1850, let's do 215 into 8, 40, carry 4, 12, carry 1, 17. Okay, so 18, 1720. Let's subtract 0, 3, 1. Okay, so we got the answer in this way. That means what is the answer that we got? What? 18. 18 is the quotient here. So our answer will be 18. So answer is what? 18 number of shirts can be stitched out of this cloth. Okay, so the answer for the first question is answered. That is, what is the number of shirts that can be stitched out of this? So number of shirts that can be stitched out of this cloth is equal to 18. But one more question is there. How much cloth will remain? Okay, how much cloth will remain means what? Our answer is the remainder. The remainder is 130. 130 remainder means what? The amount of cloth that remains is equal to 130 centimeter. Let's write it. That is, here we got the remainder as what? 130. Since the remainder is 130, you can tell that amount of cloth that remains is equal to what? 130 centimeter. Okay. But let's convert this 130 centimeter to meter. Okay. So how will you do it? You need to just divide this 130 by 100. Why? Because you know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, so that you have to divide this 130 centimeter by 100. Then what you will get? 100 and 30 will be the remainder. That means you can say that this 130 centimeter will be equal to 1 is the quotient here, is it? So 1 meter, and what is the remainder? 30 centimeter. Okay, so 130 centimeter can be written as 1 meter 30 centimeter, or you can say that amount of cloth that remains is equal to 1 meter 30 centimeter, or simply 130 centimeter is enough. But since the questions are all written in meter centimeter, so let's convert this 130 centimeter to 1 meter 30 centimeter. Okay, so this is all about question 9. Now let's see the 10th question. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kilogram 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? Let's write the informations given in the question. A medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. That means what? Weight of each box is given. Okay. So let's write it. That is, weight of each box is equal to 4 kg 500 gram. Let's write it. Let's convert this 4 kg 500 grams to grams. Why? For easy calculations, let's convert it into grams. So you know that 1000 gram, okay, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, this is the fact that you should know. 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. So that we can convert this 4 kilogram into grams. How will you convert? For conversion, you need to just multiply this 4 into 1000 so that it will get converted to gram. Okay. Plus already here 500 grams is there. Let's write it as it is. Okay. So what is 4 into 1000? It's 4000. So 4000 gram plus 500 gram. Okay. So what is 4000 plus 500? It's 4500 gram. Okay. So weight of each box is equal to 4500 gram. Now what is given? How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? That means what? Maximum weight that the van can carry is equal to 800 kilogram. Okay, that is what given. Maximum weight that the van can carry is what? 800 kilogram. Let's write it. Okay, 800 kilograms. So let's convert this 800 kilogram also to what? Grams. That means you have to multiply this 800 into 1000 so that it will get converted to grams. Now what is 800 into 1000? 800 into 1000 means what? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 8 into 1 is 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this will be the answer so that it gets converted to gram. Okay, or you can simply divide in this way, that is 1000 into 800. Okay, also then you will get the answer as this one. Okay, so the maximum weight that the van can carry is equal to 8 lakhs. Now what? How many such boxes can be loaded in a van? Okay, we need to find the number of boxes that can be loaded in the van. Okay, so how will you find this? That is number of boxes that can be loaded in the van. How will you find it? You need to just divide the maximum weight, that is 8 lakh. Okay, you have to just divide the maximum weight 8 lakh by what? By this weight of each box. What is the weight of each box? That is 4500. 4500 is the weight of each box. So you need to just divide this 8 lakh by 4500. Okay, you have to divide first. Let's see this 8000 by 4500. Then you will get 1. So what? This 4500 will be here. Now 0, 0, 5 and 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, 3500 and it will come here. So 35,000. Now let's see 35. 4500 into 7. Let's see 7. So 0, 0, 35, carry 3. 28, 29, 30, 31. 3, 1. Okay. So 3, 1, 5, 0, 0. Okay. And 7 will come here. Now let's subtract 5, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3, 5, 0, 0 again. And this 0 will come here. So again you will get 7 here. So 3, 1, 5, 0, 0. Now 0, 0, 5, 3. Okay, 3500. Okay, so what is in the quotient? In the quotient you can see 177. That means number of boxes that can be loaded in the van is equal to 177. Okay, this will be the answer. Understand, you need to just divide this 8 lakh by 4500 and you will get 177. So that the number of boxes that can be loaded in the van is equal to what? 177. That is the answer for this question. Easy. Okay. You need to identify whether you have to do the division or the multiplication. That is the only task. And I hope you will understand it. Okay. So let's see the 11th question. The distance between the school and a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So let's write the informations given in the question. That is, distance between the school and a student's house is given as 1 kilometer 875 meters. So let's write it. That is, the distance between the school and the student's house is equal to 1 kilometer 875 meters. So for easy calculation here also, let's convert this kilometer to meter. And you know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. This thing you have to keep in mind. Okay, so let's convert this 1 kilometer to meter. So instead of 1 kilometer you can write it as 1000 meter. Okay, plus 875 meter, which is already in meter. Now what is 1000 plus 875? It's 1875 meter. So we got the distance between school and house in meter as 1875 meter. Okay. Every day she walks both ways. That means what? The total distance covered by her every day, or total distance covered by her each day, is equal to what? You have to double this. Okay, this is one way travel. Distance between school and house means what? That is only one time, but every day she walks both ways means what? Every day she walks both ways means what? You have to make it 2, or you have to multiply this 1875 with 2. Okay, so the distance traveled by her in each day is equal to this one. Let's write it. This you have to just multiply. You have to just multiply this 1875 with 2. Okay, let's do it. 1875 into 2. So 5 into 2 is 10, carry 1. 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1. 16 plus 1, 17, carry 1, 3. So answer will be 3750 meter. This will be the distance traveled by the student each day. That is 3750 meter. Now what is the question? Distance covered by her in 6 days. So let's write it. So distance covered by her in 6 days means what? Each day she is traveling 3750 meter. Okay, each day she is traveling 3750 meter means distance traveled by her in 6 days will be equal to 3750 into 6. Okay, this will be the answer. So let's do it. 3750 into 6. 0 into 6 is 0. 5 into 6 is 30. Carry 3. 7 into 6 is 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. Carry 4. 3 into 6 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So 22,500. Okay, so answer will be 22,500 meter. Okay, distance covered by her in 6 days is equal to 22,500 meter. So now since our question is in kilometer, let's convert this 22,500 into kilometer. So you know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, right? So to convert this 22,500 to kilometer, we need to divide it with 1000 and see the answer. So what you will get? 2 here, 2000. Now 0, 5, 2, 0. In 2500, 2, 2000 and 500 will be the remainder. That means 22 is in the quotient. That means you can write here as 22 kilometer. Now what is in the remainder? 500. So 500 meter. This will be the answer. That is 22 kilometer, 500 meter will be the answer for this question. Okay, that is distance covered by her in 6 days is equal to 22 kilometer, 500 meter. Okay, so that is all about the 11th question. Now let's see the 12th question. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can it be filled? So let's write the information given in the question first. That is, a vessel has 4 liter and 500 ml of curd means what? Let's write the amount of curd the vessel has is equal to 4 liter 500 ml. And you should know one thing, that is 1 liter. 1 liter means what? That is equal to 1000 ml. You should be thorough with this fact, with the relation between liter and ml. Okay, so that here you need to convert this 4 liter 500 ml to what? Milliliter or ml for easy calculation. So in order to convert this 4 liter to ml, you need to multiply this 4 with 1000 so that it will get converted to milliliter. Okay, plus already here 500 ml is there, so let's write it. Now, what is 4 into 1000? That is 4000 milliliter plus this 500. So, 500 ml. Okay. Now, what is 4000 plus 500? It's 4500 ml. Okay. So, you got this answer converted to milliliter. So, amount of curd the vessel has is equal to 4500 ml. Now, in how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity? That means capacity of each glass is equal to what? 25 ml. So, let's write it. 25 ml. So, it's already given in ml, so no need of converting it. Now, we need to find the number of glasses. Okay, number of glasses that it can be filled. So, let's write it. So, in order to find the number of glasses, what you have to do here, you have to perform the division. Division of what? You have to divide this 4500 by 25 so that you will get the number of glasses needed. So, in this 45, we will see 1. So, 25. Now, if you subtract 0, 2, 200. Now, 25 into 8 is 200. Now 0, 0. So 0. So 0 here, 0, 0. So you will get the answer as what? 180. That means what? You can say that number of glasses is equal to what? 180. Number of glasses is equal to 180. Very easy. Here you have to just do the division. Okay. So here we have converted this liter to milliliter just for easy calculation. Okay. So this is how you have to do such questions. Okay. So this is all about exercise 1.2. I hope you understood this. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.